This is the Dr. Trust 210 Professional Fingertip Pulse Oximeter, a simple, effective and non-invasive design designed to measure the functional oxygen saturation of arterial hemoglobin. Now, it's easy to spot-check the levels of oxygen in your blood, or those you care for, conveniently and simply, from home, in the clinic, or even on location. It also has an advanced respiratory rate indicator displayed on the home screen. Press down on the end of the device to open the clip, and gently place over the index finger of the left hand. To activate, press the button near the display, and the device will begin the measurement. The Dr. Trust Fingertip Pulse Oximeter has an advanced DSP algorithm that reduces the influence of motion to improve measurement accuracy. The clear OLED display shows the current battery levels, blood oxygen levels, pulse rate, respiratory rate, a pulse bar graph and a pulse waveform, and can be rotated to any orientation by short pressing the button. You can adjust the device settings by long pressing the button, then subsequently short pressing to cycle between various alarms and sound options. If you wish to change a setting, short press the button until you arrive at that setting, then long press to adjust. You can also adjust the brightness of the display from level 1 to level 5 in the same manner. Lightweight and easy to use, the pulse oximeter also comes with a lanyard for carrying and will shut off automatically after 8 seconds when no finger is detected to save power. Ideal for hospitals, medical facilities, retirement homes, or even home health tracking for athletes. This unique device gives accurate, real-time readings through the finger without the need for wires or incisions. So, make health monitoring simple wherever you are. Get your Dr. Trust Fingertip Pulse Oximeter today.